up, guys? We're here at Cali Creaming, our third year attending. So far, so good. We're getting our cars prepped for the day, so hopefully it's a good turnout and stay tuned.
I know. Oh, you have a card?
The business card?
My fucking debit card? Oh, Lynn's Fusion. There you go. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Like, you look like you're like... Yes. Guys, let us know if we should come out with a rap album. We should become an R&B group. I'm just saying it.
I don't want to sit.
Oh shit, that's actually.
Car got a tattoo.
I did this. I did all this. I did credit. Why is it bubbling though? Oh shit.
I didn't do this.
I did. Or it was applied without a squeegee. Okay. Oh, Lynn's Fusion. There you go. Oh yeah. Okay. We use the Lynn's Fusion. Oh my god. To Josh. Everybody go to US Tent, get some tents because they are working with us now to host future meets. Yeah.
Call me.
Yeah.
Fresno area or
We don't want to either. Clovis,
Central
Fresno.
Valley area.
Let's say Clovis, Fresno, Madera, Kingsburg, all
Bakersfield,
Bakersfield.
From pretty much if you're between Bakersfield and like,
You know what? He'll hook it up for a good price, I think. I hope.
Ladies and gentlemen, we made it here, Cali Creaming here in the Fresno, California. Mercedes, Lexus, Chevrolet, Ford, Lamborghini, everything. We got everything here. Guys, come on for the ride and have fun with it.
just not waiting to me. Watch out!
Subculture flag right there.
Black one.
I'm gonna do that right now. Patrick, genius is showing.
He's just standing there. Menacing.
Oh, okay, better.
What the heck? That's funny.
Hey, Dee's looking for you.
Who's that?
These nuts.
Guys,
Joe Bunny.
Hey, former members right here, Mr. Joe. Mr. Joe, what's going on?
sir. Still cool, guys.
Are you also vlogging? Are you also vlogging today?
Yeah, I got my little vlogging.
Okay,
going
let's go.
on, so I got pictures of you guys already.
Guys, where's the Lexus posted up? Where's it at? Oh,
Down there? I saw
probably gonna
Josh.
check it out later.
Hey, car wash.
Hi, I'm Josh.
Ew.
one of our other members showed up now to Cali Creaming. Miss Rose with the Hot Wheels swag on.
Hey.
Yes. Okay, I have one real question for you. Are you a down-ass food? We gotta see the socks. Sock check.
No.
Not today, not today. Okay, that's another L or something.
I almost grabbed some like crazy like hug ones and I was like, nah.
You
They're
shut
not gonna
up.
see them.
Hey, actually, guys, come tell me.
Oh, nice.
I couldn't. Nice. One time, it was for the kid. I'm sorry.
He did it for
I did it for the kid.
Dr. Pepper's so real.
What's up?
Pull up to the car meet. Pull up to the car meet. Making that shit neat. Now I gotta sweat what I gotta pull up to the heat.
He pulled up to the meet. All he did was just make everybody break their necks with a Lightning McQueen. Hey, we talking about Lightning McQueen, but the real thing is, why is he wrapping up his burger?
No school today. Going back Monday.
We just rhyme day with day.
College motherfucking dropout. What am I doing over here?
Hey, see
I don't
that?
know. I'm just looking at fucking Bumblebee at the car meet.
Fresno State. Now he's got to pull up to his date. Now he's going back to the car meet with his late. I don't know.
I'm gonna use plate or something. Escalate the plate.
Now that shit doesn't make sense because it's.
Everybody always talking about, yo, Alex, why you always wearing black? Bro.
All right, Sosa, come on.
Just let him chill like once. Hey, now we in there snibbled on 2 bites of a burger.
Chris is always at the airport. Hey, but it's not because he's catching fights. He's catching flies.
I saw you last week at the airport.
Like he owned the place. Go,
I'm
go,
the
go,
white
go.
guy.
Pick it up,
I
pick it up,
think this is bad.
All the wings that needs to be taken.
Yo, I'm with Lex Flex. As you guys know, she drives a.
Where's your mic?
My name's Lex.
Okay, so tell us about that tattoos. Like,
Okay.
which ones you got? Which one's your favorite?
So I got this one at 21. Sister Rose.
Type shit. Okay.
Yeah, I
next.
got it from a guy. His name was Woody. Now he like blew up and he's like hella popular now.
Oh damn! Shout out to the boy Woody. Back to this track. You ready? As you know, we live in Cali. There's a lot of food, especially that one and this one. So now we're gonna do the sock check test thing. Oh, yo, this thing unlocked. He had down ass food. Oh, I don't pass.
Sock check.
Sock check. Okay, he's valid. Is that valid or no? Okay.
Spider.
Cameraman says it's valid. It's not all the way up. There we go. He passes too. I got you.
No, mine's not.
Oh my god! Where are you going, sir? Where are you going, sir? We gotta check your song too. Damn! You gotta do your own. They go all the way to here inside. Down food.
Bro,
Oh, I feel great.
let me do it.
You got a question?
Miss.
Stock short. I thought you were a down ass food.
I am a down fool.
No.
Let me see
I
your
gotta see it to believe it.
Let me see yours.
I'm not a down food, but I got short socks.
Shut up.
Shut up.
If you're not gonna practice what you preach, then shut up.
Fuck. I got cooked. He doing his magic. So if you guys see any cool drone footage or anything like that, just know it came from the president of Subculture. So like, just like the video, subscribe, so we can know to push out more stuff like this, you know?
Alrighty, you guys. So that sums up today's Cali Creaming 2025. It's a good turnout. We saw a lot of two-stepping. There's a car limo and a lot of good builds today. So yeah, we're excited for the next car show. We think the next event will be in the Bay Area for Fuel Fest. We're not sure yet, but yes, thank you guys for watching and stay tuned for the next vlog.